Hello there, this is Alan Jimenez, U.S. Prime Lending. Today I'm going to show you realtors how to sell this investment property and get you $60,000 in commissions in 30 days or less. This property here is on Spring Cypress. It's a highway, 5-lane highway with 58,000 cars going northeast, 56,000 going southwest down this one little pathway. It also is surrounded with national tenants, and these are the things that you need to be telling your clients or investors. You need to tell them also that this area leases out to $17 to $20 a foot. So if you put a 20,000 square foot center on this piece of property, you should generate around $340,000 annually, minus the expenses, another $50,000, $290,000. That's equivalent to about $3.6 million. It'll take you $2.8 million to build it, so he walks away with $800,000 minimum. It should be $20 a foot. That would be about $1.55 million he walks away with. This is what you need to tell him. I'm going to attach this to an email. To a spreadsheet, so you can send it to him with your information. Now this works double as a double hit for you. An advantage to you is that he's going to say, okay, well, this client, this realtor actually knows a little bit about commercial. Maybe this property didn't work, but evidently this realtor does know about commercial. So then you start sparking that conversation, and if you need help closing a deal commercial, we can work together. Whether I do the loan or we can do a co-brokerage. For some people that are just not familiar with running numbers, give me a call here, 832-305-7653, 832-305-7653, Alan Jimenez with USPrimeLending.com. Talk to you soon. God bless.